how to pay Booking.com commission online. So if you want to pay Booking.com commission online, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser and then go with Booking.com. And let me tell you that you need to have a stable internet connection to do this. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to log in to Booking.com extranet account. Click on it and then go with Get Started. You can create an account if you don't have one, or you can just simply go and sign. After signing into your account, now you need to go with the finance menu and then select finance overview. Then scroll to payment information, and when making your transfer, include your property ID and invoice number as a payment reference. This is necessary for us to identify and process your payment correctly. And if you use payments by Booking.com and receive payout through bank transfer, your commission is typically settled automatically. You won't need to pay invoices manually if Booking.com manage all payment collections from your guests and you don't accept credit cards at your property. You'll have three options to pay Booking.com commission online, which is bank transfer, and then we have online and credit card payments, then debit payment. So if you want to do online thing, then you just need simply go with online and credit card payments, sign into your extranet, go with finance, and select your invoices and choose the invoice that you want to pay and click the payment button to proceed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.